Hey everybody, this is Professor Bauer. Welcome to week 9 of disaster recovery and business continuity planning. We are in the maintenance, after we did training, we're in the maintenance phase. It gets more exciting as we get to the end, but hopefully it'll be things worth reading. And remember, you have to take some of this knowledge and put it into your report. So if anything, study it so that you can distill it out in your own report, which is due next week. So keep that in mind. In terms of what's going to be required in the final submission, we'll make the entire class, with the exception of the discussion questions, we'll make the entire class on Wednesday, just a sense of that assignment, because it's a big one. It's 4 weeks worth of work. I want every one of you to really nail this and get a great grade. There's no reason why everybody can't get out of here with an A, because you've been doing good work. Everyone's doing the homework and staying on top of things. 2 more weeks. Just hang in there, okay? Week 9, you'll see the readings. There's several sections from the book. There's a couple of links to articles on maintenance. There's a slide deck and video to review as well, so make sure you take a look at that. Then finally, the discussion questions. Explain the activities associated with maintaining the recovery and business continuity plan. Basically, are you training? Are you taking what is good and making it better? Are you improving? Is the awareness in the training and the organizational awareness and skill in this area getting better? And how do you measure that? Those are the sorts of things that you go through. The second question, and there's some details to that. The second question is, and this is really key, if you're improving, then you've got to have a change management process. You've got to be able to say, okay, we used to do it this way, we're doing it that way. Or people leave the company or they move on and you've got to train new people. There's a new hotline, there's a new emergency committee or things like that. Or we just acquired a new company and now we have to meld something into to their processes, et cetera, et cetera. So explain the need for a formal change management process for disaster recovery and business continuity planning. So be prepared to discuss or walk through, if you want, with a couple of slides, these topics this week. And we'll have the class on Wednesday, 7 o'clock Mountain Time. Till then, have a great week. Bye-bye now.